Riu no mwaka umwe tu watigara githurano kinene gitafanio no mwa maundu maria mararia IEBC mutwe ni uria ciiko cia kuhakana gututhura ngui irumi no huthuri wa maruri mene ma ciama cia uteti ikurugamio. Mwaka wa 2017 IEBC yamukirire mateta 71 ta maya, andu 31 magithitangwo na andu eri makigirio kuhuranira iturwa iria mendaga. Chairman wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati augite ona mwaka uyu ateti aria mekuna watho ni megukinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho na nikio IEBC irarutithania wira na ofici ya thitango cia muingi.
We shall strictly enforce the electoral code of conduct that comes into force during the campaign period. The code empowers the Commission's Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee to penalize candidates and political parties that perpetrate electoral malpractice during the campaign period.
Ni lazima IEBC waanze kuweka mikakati ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunapokaribia uchaguzi, kila mmoja wetu ambaye atakuwa akiomba kura yoyote ile anatumia lugha ile ambayo haiwezi kuleta fujo, fitina, kuharibu fikra za wananchi.
Andu ala maraicaitia andu magikweherwa atua bururi une witu ategera bururi tugitana kameregi koguo twetikiria andu makorwo makiaria miario ya urathoni kana miario ya kurumana kana miario kuicaitia andu tuko tukibetia.
Gicunji kiria kingi gikuonanwo nakio ni watho ni aruti wira a thirikari aria matafanagia kambeini cia iturwa cia giuteti o magithiaga na mbere na kurutira thirikari wira. Chebukati augite aria mekunyitikana na mahitia maya ni mekugirio kuhuranira iturwa iria marenda.
And this is clearly captured in section 43(3) of the Elections Act, which provides that a public officer who intends to contest an election under this act shall resign from the public office at least 6 months before the date of election.
Kuma riria gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010 yanjirie kurutithio wira mwaka wa 2013, watho wa gicunji kia 2/3 wa kuiganania arume na atumia iturwa-ini itiganite nduri wahingio, kuona iturwa-ini nyingi cia uteti arume ni aingi kuri atumia. Igoti nene ni riathire ciama cia giuteti kugeria kuiganania atumia na arume, na IEBC igiathwo tigirire undu uyu ni wahanika na njira ya kwaga kuhitukia maritwa mateti aria ciama ciao itahingitie watho uyu.
And the Commission was directed to reject any nomination list of our political party for its candidates for the 290 constituencies and 47 county-based elections for position of Senate that do not comply with the two-third gender principle. The Commission shall therefore comply with the orders of the court by ensuring that political parties' nomination lists for elective positions in the Senate and National Assembly comply with two-third gender rule before they are accepted by the commissions for purposes of candidates nomination.
Irita njira ya kuonania utheri na uigiririki wa IEBC, Chairman Chebukati augite muingi ni ukahota kurumirira utari wa kura kuhitukira nyumba cia mohoro iria igitikirio gukorwo ceceni-ini cia uikia na utari wa kura.
Therefore, to ensure transparency in the results management process, the Commission shall allow accredited media access to polling stations and tallying centers to cover the vote counting, announcement, collation and declaration of results. And that is part of the working group will be giving us the modalities of effectively carrying out that exercise.
Itanya ria IEBC ni gutafania githurano gigetikirika ni ateti na muingi bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũchoki.